How to send old pictures as new snaps on Snapchat. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can send your old already existing pictures as new snaps on Snapchat. Open Snapchat, go to the memories by tapping on the memories icon that you can find on the left hand side of your screen. As you tap it, you'll find all the snaps that you have been saved on your Snapchat. On camera roll, you'll find all your snaps and videos that is saved on your phone. You'll find all your old and new pictures on your device. Now you can either choose your old snaps, or either you can choose from your camera roll, or you can choose your stories as well. Now to send this as a new snap, select the snap that you want to send, and from here you can edit snap and choose any filters that you want, and you can send it by tapping on the next icon here. This way you can send your old pictures as new snaps on Snapchat. Hope you liked the video. Do not forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.